Today we are cooking a vegetarian pizza.
Apparently.
The vegetables we're using, tomatoes, onions, mushrooms, peppers, and that is all. We've already made the dough. These are, we're just making two pizzas, should be medium-sized pizzas. And first of all, we will start by cutting the vegetables. And Davey will be doing that. Now we're cutting the spring onion into really big bits.
Big chunk.
Why are we doing big chunks?
Because have to match the size, you know.
Okay, now we're going to cut the tomatoes. Okay, that is the veggies done. I am now making the tomato base for the pizza. Pre-chopped tomatoes. Davey chopped them, 3 of them. And
what's that?
Tomato puree.
This is a secret recipe.
Secret recipe, yes, so I'm showing everyone. Now.
Cheese.
Yes, cheese.
Really?
Yes.
Cheese in tomato base?
Yeah.
You must be kidding me.
How I make it so secret. So, whole peppers, handful of them. A little bit of vinegar. Then we'll take it to the mixer. Turn the mixer on, and it's not on. Just a dash of extra virgin olive oil. Give it that nice texture. It's a nice like little sloppy that is ready. There we go. And that is our base for. Okay, we are going to do a pizza each and see who comes out the best. Davey is doing hers first.
Okay, James is going to do the second one.
It's good to roll it up and down, spread it out evenly.
Together.
Voila! Voila! I've done it!
Well done, James.
Yay! Okay, it is in a preheated oven tray. Underneath the pizza dough we put baking paper, just so it's easier to lift out once it's cooked. And for the crust of the pizza, this is our own little trick. We use cheesy strings. Or cheese strings, oopsie. So we've rolled it under to make the crust. And when it cooks, it doesn't actually melt the cheese string. Now, if you're looking for the recipe, I will leave it in the comments. I think that's enough. That's enough. Yeah. It's a really tiny pizza.
That's really tiny.
Stretch it a bit. Okay. Now for the base. Be quite generous with it. Now we get some mozzarella cheese for the base. I cut my bits better for Davey. And we'll put some cheese in the corners here. And last bit, just to end it off, another piece of cheese. There you go, guys. I'm making our vegetarian pizzas. Okay, just a little bit of olive oil to help it cook. So it will go in the oven for 15 minutes, not 20, and then we check, and if it needs more time, we'll give it more time. It's better to have undercooked than overcooked. While we'll wait, we will tidy up. You don't have to watch that. And this is the finished pizza. Vegetarian cheesy string pizzas. I hope you learned something new.
Especially James' secret recipe.
Yeah, the cheese strings. Always the cheese strings. Always the way
cheese,
forward.
Always cheese.
Always cheese. Yeah, loads of cheese. You can never go wrong with too much cheese. But yeah, if you somehow got to the end of this video, 1, you're amazing. 2, like and subscribe. Comment. We'll answer any comments. Till the next video, take care, and we'll definitely be talking to you soon. Bye.